Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a very a lightweight gel cream. This is again a Korean based gel cream. It's a skin whitening cream with pearl powder. This is very effective to give you a very good complexion, very clear, bright and glowing complexion. So we'll quickly start with the making of this product. Here I have my water phase. In my water phase I have my gelling agent. I have used a little Sepimax Zen and xanthan gum clear for my gelling agent. I have my glycerin and water, and here I have my oil phase ingredients. In this I have all my waxes, my oil, my emulsifiers, my thickeners. Everything is here in my oil phase. So now we'll go ahead and heat both these phases and we will make the cream. Okay, so now we've gone ahead and heated both the phases, and we will go ahead and add this gel into the oil phase, and we will give it a nice blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this well, and now if you all can see, it has a lovely gel-like consistency and it's a very lightweight cream. So I'm going to go ahead and put my weighed out extracts and my preservative as well, and we'll go ahead and give a good mix to the cream. Okay, and this is the pearl powder that we have here. This is a very effective powder for skin whitening. So this is something which I'm going to be adding here to the mixture, and we will go ahead and give this a very nice mix with the gel cream. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed the pearl powder here, and it has all got well dissolved in the cream here, and this is how our cream looks with a very lovely consistency, and it is extremely lightweight on the skin. So it has a very nice gel-like lightweight consistency which gets easily absorbed in the skin. And friends, I will be sharing the basic cream formulation in the description box for those who would be interested in trying out how to make creams. For the more advanced ones, you can contact us on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. We have a lot of skincare workshops where we make all these advanced creams. Thank you so much for your cooperation, and if you do like what I share with you all, please like, share and subscribe to my videos. Thanks.